Good morning, friend. Today we want to start one new topic, that is area of trapezium. So that is area of trapezium. So first, what is the meaning of tape or trapezium? So trapezium means when two sides are parallel with that type of figure, we can say it is a trapezium. So we can draw from one scale. We have to take one scale and then we can draw. So here we can say one line, another scale I have to take, again one line I have to draw like that, again one line, sorry. Now if I join these, so that way if I'll join again one line, so that type of figure is called trapezium. So we can name A, B, C and D. So here it is one type of trapezium. If I join this, again it is a trapezium, again it is a trapezium. So two lines are parallel, if you will see, and here two inclined lines are also there. So proper figure is, always remember that two line parallel with one inclined line. So that is trapezium. Today we want to discuss about the area. Area means region. Now if you will see there, here it is a rectangle, here it is a triangle, here it is a rectangle, here it is a triangle. So we can find out by area of rectangle plus area of triangle, we can get area of trapezium. But we have to work two times. So now today we want to discuss the formula related to how we can get directly area. So area of trapezium, one of the important formula is that we have derived from this, that is area of trapezium is equal to H sum of two parallel sides, that is A plus B divided by 2. So if you will see that, if we draw one figure like that, and here it is a height, so it is height, sum of two parallel line, that is A and B. So we can get answer area of trapezium half, also we can say that half into height A plus B, that is also a correct answer. Now we go for it in different way. So again here it is a trapezium, so we can get answer H A plus B by 2. We have to derive this or try this. So here again same, area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2, area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2, both are same. Here it is also we can say same, we will see. So formula that is important, half into A plus B, half into H A plus B, that is our target. Now different types of sum or different types of all are trapezium. We can say it is trapezium, it is not a trapezium, it is trapezium but here it is not a height. Now so sum is there, that is important for us. So find the area of the following trapezium. So area of trapezium is equal to half into H A plus B. So 1 by 2 into height H, that is here H is equal to 3, A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. So that is 7 plus 9, that is 1 by 2 into 16, that is 8 centimeter square. Again I explain, formula is half H A plus B, half into 7 plus 9, half into 16, that is 8 centimeter square. Again same at here, what is height? So H is equal to 6 centimeter, A is equal to 5 centimeter and B is equal to 10 centimeter. So formula is 1 by 2 into 6 in bracket 10 plus 5. That is 1 by 2 into 6 into 15. We can cancel it by 3. That is 45 centimeter square. So first of all you have to write the formula these 5 times. At least you have to write this formula 5 times. Then you will get properly answer or you have understand it. So two sums, try this, you have to do in your fair book or rough book. Now again see different shape are there. Check in the following trapeziums are equal area but have different perimeter. We have to check that they have different perimeter is different. So if I want to find out perimeter at here, so 14 plus 4 10, that is 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 5 33. Now 8 24 plus 28. Here 16 plus 6 22 plus 7 29. So perimeter are different. All have different perimeter. But if I want to find out the area of each figure, so if I want to find out of area of here, then I have to write 1 by 2. So here it is a altitude. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 unit. Here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 plus 14. That is 1 by 2 into 4 into 24. So if I cancel by 2, so 2 into 24, that is 48 centimeter square. Now if I check the area of this figure, again I have to draw one altitude at here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So height h is equal to 8. A is equal to 4. B is equal to 8. Now half into height, that is 8. A plus B, 4 plus 8. So 1 by 2, 8 into 12. If I cancel it, 4 is so 48 centimeter square. So area is again 48 centimeter square. Again area is 48 centimeter square. So we can get same area at here, 48 centimeter square. So figures are different, perimeter are different, but all are same shape, that is trapezium. So we can get same answer. So these type of questions may be asked. Now area of quadrilateral. So trapezium we have got it area. Trapezium area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 h a plus b. Now area of quadrilateral. So if you will see, there are two triangles are there. So area of ABC is equal plus area of ADC. So half into AC into H1 plus half into AC into H2. But AC is what? Diagonal. So you have to common outside. So half into AC in bracket H1 plus H2. That is half into D H1 plus D2. So area of trapezium half H A plus B. Area of quadrilateral, that is 1 by 2 D H1 plus H2. That is a second formula. Now find the area of quadrilateral. One sum is there. We can easily do it. We have to just put value because diagonal is 5.5. So 5.5, 2.5. So first formula we have to write half into D H1 plus H2. Half into D H1 plus H2. Half into 5.5 multiply by in bracket 2.5 plus 1.5. So half into 5.5 into 4, that is 11 centimeter square. Now we go for some special type of quadrilateral, that is rhombus. So area of rhombus now. Area of rhombus. If you will see, the again same here triangle is there. So half into AC into OD, half into AC into OB. Here it is AC and OD and OB. But AC is common. So half into, but here it is a diagonal. So D1 and here it is D2. So remember formula for area of rhombus, that is area of rhombus is equal to product of its diagonal. So half into D1 multiplied by D2. So third formula we have confirmed. First, trapezium, that is 1 by 2 H A plus B. Then quadrilateral, that is 1 by 2 D diagonal, that is S1 plus H2, and rhombus, that is 1 by 2 into D1 multiplied by D2. So three formulas we have confirmed and three different sums also we have completed. So one more sum. So it is too much easy. Area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into DD. So if we cancel it 5, or we can cancel 4.1 also. Two different way we can cancel it. 4.1 into 10, that is 41 centimeter square. So now find the area of quadrilateral. So these are all the different. See here, if I want to find out quadrilateral at here, it is quadrilateral, it is rhombus. Here again it is a parallelogram. So area of quadrilateral, that is 1 by 2 into 6, in bracket I have to write 3 plus 5. So if we cancel it, then 3. So 3 in bracket write 8. So 24 centimeter square. Here it is rhombus. Here it is rhombus. 4, 4, 4. So here if it is a 7, then again here it is 7. Here it is 6. So 14 D1 is equal to 14 D2 is equal to 12. So formula, that is half into 14 into 12. So if you count it 7, that is 84 centimeter square. So that is 84 centimeter square. Again it is a rhombus. So directly we put half into D1 into D2. Here parallelogram. Parallelogram means what? Twice of triangle. Twice area of triangle, because both are same. So 2 into area of triangle. Area of triangle we know, half into base into height. So 2 cut. So 16 centimeter square. So here we have got answer 16 centimeter square. So that way we have complete different figure. Now area of polygon. So different figures are there in which we can add triangle, rhombus, rectangle, that type of figure. Now, so now we go for sum. Example number 1. Area of trapezium shape is 480 meter square. Distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other side. Area of trapezium shape is 15, shape field is 480 meter square. So area, that is given 480. Distance between two parallel sides, that is height. One parallel side is 20. Find other side. So 480 is equal to 1 by 2, 15 into 20 plus b. So first off we want to, what we divisible should be gone to multiplication. So 480 multiplied by 2. Then this 15 must be go with divisible, is equal to 20 plus b. So if we cancel it, we can get answer 32. 15 3 is 45. 30 20. 32 into 2, that is 64. So 64 is equal to 20 plus b. So we can get answer 44 meter. So now, so that is a sum related with trapezium. Now for rhombus. So area of rhombus is equal to, we know, half into d1 multiplied by d2. So we know that 240 is there. So 1 by 2 into 16 into d2. So we can cancel it. So 240 divided by 8, you will get d2. So same sum here it is. That is 30. So second diagonal is 30. So there is a hexagon. So different figures are there. Here rectangle with triangle. Here it is 2 trapezium. Here we can, if you will see that, from here we can make congruent figure. So that way we can do it. So different areas are there. You will see that, but okay. So now we go for exercise 11.2, question number 1, that I am explaining you. So first of all, I have to find out what is given. That is, find area. So I have to find out the area of trapezium. That is 1 by 2 h a plus b. What is h? That is 0.8 meter is given. What is a? That is 1 meter given. What is b? That is 1.2 meter given. Now 1 by 2 into h, that is 0.8. A plus b, so 1 plus 1.2. So if we cancel it, we can get 0.4. So 0.4 into 1 plus 1.2. 1 plus 1.2, that is 2.2. So 2.2, 22 into 4, 88. So 4 by 10 and 22 by 10. We can get 0.88 meter square. That is the area of trapezium. Again I explained what is the important sum of two parallel side, multiply by 0.8 into 2. So 1 plus 1.2, that is 2.2. 2.2 into 0.8 and divided by 2. That is our answer. Now one more sum, that is second sum. Okay, more sums are there, so we have to go up to 2 sum. Then we go for next. So area of trapezium is given. So area trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 h and a plus b. Now area of trapezium is given 34. Height, that is 4. Length of other parallel side, so 1 is 10 plus b. So these 4 first method multiply by 2, 34 into 2 divided by 4 is equal to 10 plus b. Now 2 2s are 2, 17. So 17 is equal to 10 plus b. So b is equal to 17 minus 10, that is 7 meter. So 7 meter is answer. Again I explain what is the first, that is important. What is, we have to put value. 34 is equal to 1 by 2 h a plus b. H is height is 4, one side is 10, we have to find out other side. So 34 into 2, we can say 68 divided by 4, we will get answer 17. So 17 minus 10, that is 7. That way we get answer. Now that is next sum. So which sum? Third sum we have to do. Third sum. So length of trapezium fence. Okay, length of fence of trapezium is 120. If BC, that is 48, CD 17 meter, AD 40 meter. You have to find out this. So we can find out 40 plus 48, that is 88. 88 plus 17. So 105. So 140, 120 minus 105, that is 15. Now you can find out the area. Already I am given everything. So height is equal to now 15. A is equal to 40. B is equal to 48. Put your formula in area of trapezium. You will get answer. So in next we can do all the sum. So 15 into 88 divided by 2. So we can get answer 34. So 15 multiplied by 44, that is your answer. Try to solve this. So now you have to complete your 4 back in Fairbook 11.1 and 11.2.